This is one of your biggest buying opportunities yet on silver and gold. Should you buy now? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody, and happy Saturday for you. Not necessarily for me because I have to go to work this morning, but if you just clicked on this video, welcome to the family. Welcome to a YouTube family. Unlike any other channel on the internet, on YouTube, everybody, we're a family of silver and gold stackers. We talk about silver and gold updates Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturdays, and then we do super silver, super copper silver Sundays, and show all our pickups and everybody. And we're going to start a few new things. So welcome to the channel. Everybody, thanks for watching all over the world, all over the United States. Although our views are terrible. Yesterday, a little over 700 views on yesterday's morning update. I understand, hey, it's the summertime, guys. It's July. This is the worst month for creators to post videos, but I don't care. Why? Because I'm not in it for the money, guys. I'm in it for my friends, you, and for the fun, and for my ADHD, and most importantly, the coffee. Coffee. So, I have a great time doing this, everyone. We love you. I'm not a Ron's Basement. I'm not a Yankee stacking. I'm not a silver seeker. I'm not a Raven Hawk or Silver Dragons, guys. I'm SSC, right? So different kind of deal, different kind of guy from my living room to your living room, everybody. It's like if we're just kind of sitting right here across from each other. And if you meet me in person, you're going to know that I'm the same person as I am here. And I talk to people, whether it be on the phone, on a text, on a video, guys. So let's get started. What silver and gold ended up, and is this one of the best buying opportunities? Well, I got the green lights on, everybody. Happy coffee, silver stack cracker right there. The green lights are on for silver. Right now, the green lights are on. I bought gold last night, everybody. We bought more gold nuggets, and we love those guys at Sluice Boys on eBay. They have some fantastic stuff. They go out and they find their own gold. They get this gold. They check it. They put it and sell it to you, the consumer. Otherwise, we may never get any. So the gold nuggets, everybody, command a higher premium. If you're looking to buy gold and silver, remember gold nuggets, because of their rarity and their fun and they're beautiful, they command and they bring a higher premium. Some of them 85% purity, 90%, 95, 98, 99% purity, especially the Australian gold, right, guys? All my guys in Australia. Geez, it's early. But here we go. I am a little late, though. It's about 6 a.m. in the morning. I got to leave for work in about an hour. And so let's go to our gold, guys. What did gold end up? $4,119 for the week, everybody. We're down on silver. Last week at this time, I think we were about, $62 an ounce? So silver went to $59.60. We teeter-tottered towards that 70. Everyone, we really never went below 67. I'm at 67. Hey, this is what you get, everybody. 57. I think that was the breaking point. If we would have gone under $57 an ounce and held it for any time at all, I think we were going to go down some more. I think we could have hit 53, 54, even maybe 50, which would create even a better buying opportunity for all you silver stackers out there and your silver hoarders. But it didn't do it. So everybody's talking about big silver still this year, big gold, everybody. Although be careful about the channels that will clickbait you. Hey, I've had some clickbait videos I didn't even know were clickbait. So we all do it. Sometimes we don't mean to, but be careful with the $5,000 silver, huge, massive news. Silver to undervalued, going to be $5,000, or for an ounce of silver, and gold going to $10,000 and $20,000 an ounce, guys. It's baloney. At least it is for now. At some time, everybody, I do believe silver and gold will rocket so high that you're going to say, I am so glad. Thank you, God, for getting me into silver and gold. The kicker is on silver and gold, with silver being $59.76, if it were to go to 150 an ounce, you're not going to find a local dealer, local LCS, maybe even a bullion dealer that's going to give you that kind of money for that silver. You might still do really, really well, everybody, but don't expect. The higher it goes, the less you're going to get paid for it if you sell it. So just remember that. Same way with gold. If gold were to go to $10,000 an ounce, get revalued, whatever they're talking about, I don't think that's ever going to happen. The gold revaluation in the United States, I don't think it's going to happen. If it does, I'll be shocked. So, but if it hits 10,000 an ounce, are the dealers still going to buy? If you're a coin dealer and you're watching today and you're watching it all, would you buy gold if it hit $10,000-$15,000 an ounce? Would you buy silver at close to spot if it hit $150-$200 an ounce? Look, I truly believe it's going to go over 100 this year. I think there's a lot going on right now that's holding it back. We all know that the manipulators are out there. It's a big scam. They are definitely manipulating the paper market against physical silver, everybody, and physical gold. We know that. But will it break out? Will it break out of that stranglehold that the paper market has on it? They dictate all of the pricing on our physical silver and gold. Okay, so should you really worry about it? Nah, don't worry about it. I mean, I'm not going to. So the control that you have on your silver, the control that you have on your gold, everybody, is that you buy it at the right time for you. You dollar cost average. We're not financial advisors, but you buy it at the right time for you, right? So you control what you pay for it. You control what you sell it for, right? So you're in control of your silver and gold. You're in control of your silver value. So if you say, hey, I'm not paying $80 an ounce for it, I'm going to wait it out, I think it's going to drop, and it goes up to 100 and it stays at 100, well, then you've lost an opportunity. But if you say, I'm not going to pay $80 for it, and it drops to 50 or 40 or 35, which we'll never see again. We won't ever see 40, guys. If we do, I will be shocked. But then you've won. So then you buy. So dollar cost average. So you control the actual price of your silver. Really, they don't control it. They do, but they don't. Because you're the one that is in control of your silver price, what you pay for it, what you sell it for. That's really who's in control, right? We are. We're the ones in control of our silver. So platinum, guys, after that rant, ended up at $1,625. It was up $16 for the day. Everybody else was down. So, and remember, palladium is at 1,260 and rhodium's still 7,800. What is it? I think they're talking about going 24/7. I heard this, or listened to it, read about it, whatever, on the market trades for silver and gold. Because, over the weekend, we shut her down, and then we don't see any new prices until Monday, and actually Sunday night, when the worldwide trading opens up, everybody. But they're talking about going 24/7. And usually Mondays are a pretty good hit, because if something happens on a weekend, guess what? If it's bad news, boom, they sell it. If it's phenomenal news and it's going to cause silver to skyrocket, they all start buying. So, and then it skyrockets, which is what we kind of want it to do. We want it to skyrocket, yet we don't want it to skyrocket. I want to buy more. Guys, I'm going to be quite honest with you. When it comes to silver and gold, Mrs. SSC and I are sort of kind of addicted, kind of like gambling or alcoholism, except we have silver and gold holism. And, it's not necessarily a bad thing, because people think, hey, you're spending all your fiat money on gold and silver. Well, we're spending a bunch of it, but we still have fiat in the bank. You got to pay your bills, right? I mean, it's just simple as that. But when you hold silver and you hold gold and copper and all the really cool metals, guys, anything valuable, your real estate, whether it be antique collector cars, valuable antique collector cars, you hold it. Can you sell it? Yes, you can sell it. It's a savings account, okay? So you're really not spending the money. You're just putting the money somewhere else. And the good thing is, with silver and gold and copper and gold backs, guys, and now I'm starting to collect a few of the silver notes. Really, really cool, guys. And when you put your stuff in that, you hold it, you get to look at it. And if you need to sell it, you can sell it. I don't recommend that. But think about this for a second. Silver and gold are long-term holds, guys. They're all numismatic coins. I have a ton of numismatic coins, guys, a ton. And you hold them for a long, long time so that they go up in value, right? It's not a short game. Before you know it, 5 years from now, I bet silver is well over $150 an ounce 5 years from now, at least, well over. Steady 150 an ounce. Look at people 10 years ago when it was $20 an ounce, or $15 or $10 or $5. Those guys, I know you're on here and you've been stacking 30 years. You saw those cheap prices. Well, it's all relative. Silver's undervalued. It's going to skyrocket. You hold it long enough. I hope I live long enough to see it really skyrocket to those amounts. But whatever the good Lord has in plan for me, whatever his plan is, I'll take it, guys. Hong Kong ended up 4,125.87 on gold and 60.23 on silver, everybody. Let's refresh it just in case, because that seems a little high. No, that's right. So they actually end up well. Mumbai, $4,115 on gold and $60.35 on silver. London, 4,102 on gold and $59.55 on silver. Come on, London, bring it up there for us. Australia, bring it up. Come on, everybody. Hong Kong, wherever you're at, bring our prices up. We've got some viewers in Europe, in the UK, I think, or in Russia. That we've got one viewer, super, super young man. Shout out to you. And I don't know which side you're on, but whatever it is, okay? So I know you're fighting in that war, and I wish you all the luck and safety that you have, whether you're a Ukrainian or a Russian. It doesn't matter, everyone. So war is war, and war sucks. So New York ended up at $4,106 and silver at $59.92, almost 60 for the week. We are down a couple bucks from last week, guys, which means it's another buying opportunity for you. So I know I preach that every day and you get tired of hearing it. We're going to do some different things. Make sure you watch this video all the way through, guys, and like and hit the subscribe button. The views have been terrible in July. They always are. So all you creators, don't get discouraged. This is the way it is. But I'm going to do some different things on, I do updates Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and I take Tuesday and Thursdays off. But we're going to do some fun things, man. I'm going to do, it's actually fun. I posted a little coin hunt video, 700-800 views. That was good. I'm going to start doing that for fun because I think Charles finally, not Charles, but Thompson Coin and Stamp. Thompson Coin and Stamp finally convinced me that, hey, it's fun. But now, am I going to do 500 rolls? No. But we're going to do some 8-minute videos or so, and 8, 9-minute, 10-minute videos, and unroll and see if we can find some silver for fun. Mrs. SSC, I think I'll probably try to get her involved in it too, because it is kind of fun. So half dollars, quarters. By the way, if you find a 2026 quarter with that July 4th little preview mark, guys, you have struck gold. So, and I mean gold. You can buy some gold with that bad boy. So keep that one. What did our gold and silver ratio end up, everybody? Gold to silver ratio, 68.93, which means silver is starting to come on in the ratios. So we just need it to go way down so we can trade off some silver for some gold. Guys, I'm hooked on these gold nuggets. They're phenomenal nuggets that Sluice Boys has. Hey, Bubba, I got Bubba over here, my orange tabby cat. Luckily, he's not tearing up my legs right now, but but those guys, Sluice Boys at eBay, have some amazing nuggets. Great guys, fast shipping. Everybody, they get your stuff to you. It's legit stuff. It is what it is. Whatever you see on the screen, you buy. It's an auction. It's a lot of fun. I'm not really into those big auctions where they auction off the packs and everything, because you might pay $50 for a $10 coin, or you might get lucky. I did one, and I got a gold coin. So I got lucky, and I thought it's kind of like gambling. I'm like, I think I'll back off of this. I got my gold coin. I'm winning right now, so I'm done. But the Sluice Boys have their auction. It's what you see on the screen is what you get, and some of it just is beautiful. Alaskan gold, Montana gold. They mine gold in Georgia. They pick up gold from import gold from Australia, which is the purest of all gold. So 68.93, everybody. Goldbacks, one of my favorites, guys. Goldbacks, 8, 22, 24 karat gold you can spend. Florida's all in on silver and gold as a currency, guys. They got goldbacks. They got ATMs. Goldback is throwing states all the time, putting them out there, the new goldbacks. So we're going to make sure once we, our plan of silver and gold gets diversified a little bit more, we'll start buying into some more goldbacks. We got a big book, a heavy book of goldbacks already, and I'm going to do a reveal on goldbacks on what I have. It's not as much as you think, but it's still a lot in dollars. But let's look at our copper. Our copper is holding very, very strong at 603. So if you're scrapping copper out there, you should be able to get a good price for it. For our copper bullion and our bars, so we'll be talking about tomorrow on Super Copper Silver Sunday and showing some incredible pickups we got this last week. Guys, we have spent a lot of money in the last 2 weeks on silver and gold. And but we didn't spend money. We just exchanged money. We exchanged fiat for physical, beautiful gold and silver. So 603 copper, 746 on nickel. It's still kind of down. I wish it'd go up around 8. Got a couple bars of that. It's really cool. Aluminum is the same at $1.42. And guys, India silver is at 78.73. Nope, 78.57. And Shanghai is at 66.68. Look, if you're watching this video through, I really appreciate you. Yes, I do ramble. This is how I do it. God puts the words in my mouth and they come out to you. So I don't have a script. We don't talk about a script. I figure out what I want to talk about, and this is what we talk about, guys. That's what's different about this channel. It's just a lot of fun. We're just shooting the stuff, right? So let's go to our dollar. Our dollar ended up 100.97, everyone. 100.97. So it is down. It was up a little bit. So it was down, but that dollar, you can't hold it up very long, guys. It's going to come down. And yes, it does have an effect on silver and gold prices. I don't care what anybody says. If you watch the dollar, if you watch oil prices right now, not so much, but that US dollar sure does affect the gold and silver prices because it costs the foreign investors more because they base it off of the dollar, silver and gold price. It costs them more to invest into silver. So they pull out and invest in interest-bearing funds. That's why the dollar has an effect on our prices. Oil price hit 71.52 for the week, guys, closed out. So one final deal, and I got to get this. I got to get this posted. Everybody have a great Saturday. Happy coffee, everybody. So we ended up at 4,119 on gold and 59.76 on silver. What are you going to do today? Are you buying silver today? Are you buying gold today? Silver is just a much easier precious metal to buy than gold. Gold is very expensive, but more and more people are buying fractional gold, as I am, because, $4,200 for an ounce of gold, guys. Not everybody just has a big amount of money. Now, we have one guy on Sluice Boys last night bought a $4,600 gold nugget. Guys, it was like that big. It was massive. And that was cool. And so kudos to him on that big gold nugget. I want that 100, and I think they got 192 gram gold nugget on there. And that's my next goal, is that big boy. I think it's $35,000 or something like that. I will have that. If I have to sell Mrs. SSC's Corvette, we will have that gold nugget. If you're listening, Sluice Boys, I'm going to buy that. So everybody have a fantastic Saturday. God bless you. Heavenly Father, may you bless my viewers out there all over the world. And let's think about the homeless. Let's think about the people less fortunate than us to have these beautiful metals. And we thank you for these metals, Father. Let us concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 20% we seek. Everybody have a fantastic Saturday. I'll be off Monday, so we will see you Sunday and Monday, guys. Everybody have a good one. I'm out.